Hello, everybody. This is the Live Free Armory Apollo 11 Compact. I'm at the gun range. Everything is safe. Make sure to like and subscribe. I did make a little bit of a video. You really can't see me actually shoot the gun. However, I do want to talk about it a little bit. As some of you know, if you watch my videos, I have had some issues with this pistol. It came with hammer follow. I just didn't trust this pistol, right? I complained quite a few times to Live Free Armory. I was just about ready to send this gun back. As you know, they filed Chapter 11. It really concerned me. It kept me on edge. I asked them for a ignition kit. They sent me a sear, a hammer and strut, a sear spring, a new firing pin, and I think I'm missing something there. I put in the sear spring, but when I put in the sear spring, my actual grip safety didn't work. But I did have an EGW sear spring that I did throw in there. Once I put the sear and the disconnector in that came with it, seems like all my problems went away. Right? So it seems like there was a problem with the sear and the disconnector, and right now this gun is shooting like a charm. I do wish that the grip was a little bit sturdier. I seem kind of flimsy, and I think that that's why it has a little bit of issues here and there. But other than that, I didn't have any issues in the beginning. I think that this would be my foundation gun. It is nice. I didn't have any failure to feed, failure to extract, or anything like that. You can see right here that the magazine is smoking, right? Did oil it up quite a bit, so I think that might be some of that. It's laser ammo, 9mm, 115 grain. I haven't shot any other thing through it, but that's it. It's now functioning, works correctly. Have a great day.